So what are we doing today?
Changing oil.
Bro, I literally had the 12 though. The 12's a new 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, I literally had the hell. Not that long ago. Remember I had it in my pocket that one day?
Where'd you put it?
Say.
Wait, no. Yeah.
So today we're gonna be doing oil change. We got this Pro Honda GM4 4-stroke motor oil. I got it off of Amazon. It was about 37 bucks. And then we got this Honda OEM filter. This shit was like 17 bucks. The oil, you just gotta make sure it's like certified and has all these like right qualifications, and now you don't want to be using it. It's a 10W30. But yeah, this is 4 quarts. We're not gonna need all 4 quarts. We only need like 2.7 with the filter. All right, so under the bike, that's the oil drain plug. Should be a 12mm. I just used it to crack that loose. And you want to be using a small oil drain pan, a low profile one. I don't think we have one. Alright, now I'm gonna go for the oil filter. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Alright. Some people did take off the fairing or loosen it. I didn't want to do it. There you go.
The thing is black.
Oh yeah, that's the breaking oil. It gets black quicker. While that drains out, I'm gonna make the bike level. I ain't gonna lie, that filter was a bitch. Yeah. First oil filter from factory. It's torqued down to like 150 foot-pounds. Put the drain plug back on. Just snug it down by hand. Then clean off everything again. Brand new OEM oil filter. Get a little bit of the old oil. Just go around the ring. And should be good to go back on. Hand tight. You don't need to torque it down. No ugga duggas. Just by hand. There you go. Should be good. Now I'm just clean off everything because oil got everywhere. So I actually forgot. There's a crush washer, but it was stuck to the drain pan. So I had to take it off and just put the washer back on. So now just with the ratchet, I'm gonna just snug it down by hand tight. And that's it for the bottom. So for everyone asking also, this is the SC exhaust off of eBay. And look, 102 sensor. And that's all I had. Everyone in the comments was still wondering if I had 1 or 2 02 sensors, but as you can see, 1. Yeah. Alright, now you just gotta open this, because that's where the oil goes in through. This thing has 4 quarts, so I'm gonna just fill it up till there's 1 quart left, and then check level. And that last video, mic setup, GoPro setup was dookie, but we went and we bought another one and a new mic setup with the medium audio and everything. So hopefully next cruise should get better clips, better audio. All right, so that was the 3 quarts. So now I'm gonna check, see if it's at the level it's supposed to be. Even though it's leaned over, I'm not too sure how to check it accurately, but that's right in the middle. I feel like we should be good. Now I'm gonna just turn it on and hope for no leaks. Up, give her a little rev. First oil change, first maintenance interval, first maintenance, bro. First maintenance. Yeah. I still gotta do the chain. I'ma clean it and lube it up. But until I get my rear stand, should be fine for now. Let me know what y'all wanna see. I did post that cruise and I was gonna edit the cruise and show y'all less of it, but I feel like there's people out there that want to see the raw POV, you know, even the slow moments, even the traffic moments, you know, the weaving in and out of slow traffic. But if y'all want me to cut it out, I mean, I can, but that was just my thinking. But if y'all want this to keep on going, yeah, sub, like, comment, give the man motivation. This weekend we are going to Cars and Coffee because we haven't been outside in a very, very long time, and I feel like we should be outside, especially with that amount of camber. I mean, not on Houston roads, but I mean still, but that's why it's on washers. So I will be recording the Cars and Coffee at post. Get a little POV, cruising there, the car's there, cruising next to the BRZ, and you know, leaving. I don't even know if they're gonna let me in because supposedly they don't let bikes in, but we'll go around. But yeah, that's about it.